In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn ChatGPT into your personal therapist. Whether you're seeking a sounding board for your thoughts or just need a little guidance, this versatile tool can lend an ear and offer responses that help you reflect. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to your favorite web browser and go to Google. This is a pretty standard start, but it ensures you're in the right place to begin your journey with ChatGPT. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll want to type ChatGPT into the search bar. At this point, I'd suggest taking a moment to make sure your query is correctly typed out so you can easily find the official site in your search results. After the results load, look for the official ChatGPT website. The site you're looking for should be among the top results, so give it a click to proceed. Opening this will take you to ChatGPT's homepage, where all the magic happens. If you're familiar with creating prompts, you'll find yourself right at home here. If not, don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Now, you're going to type your prompt into the text box available on the page. This is your personal message to ChatGPT, where you can introduce the context of your conversation. Remember, clarity is key, so be as descriptive as you need to be to get the most helpful responses. You're essentially setting the stage for the kind of interaction you are seeking. Once you've crafted your thoughtful prompt, it's time to click the Submit button. This action sends your inquiry to ChatGPT and sets the ball rolling on your virtual therapy session. There's always a bit of anticipation here as you wait for the response, which usually doesn't take long. ChatGPT's reply will be crafted based on the details you've provided, so the more insight you offer, the more tailored its response can be. After receiving a response, you might be prompted to click on the search bar and answer any follow-up questions. Think of these as clarifying questions that help ChatGPT dig deeper and understand your needs even better. Respond thoughtfully to ensure the interaction remains productive. Finally, to continue the conversation or finalize your query, you'll click on the Submit button one more time. Each exchange allows for a deeper dive into your thoughts and feelings, replicating a session with a human therapist, minus the awkward silences. And there you have it. You've turned ChatGPT into your own personal therapist. By leveraging this tool effectively, you can have meaningful, even introspective interactions, all from the comfort of your own home. Of course, remember to use ChatGPT as a supplement to professional counseling when needed. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.